This is too important exercise to burn belly fat at home, right there in your home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video I will show you the simple 2 exercise to burn your belly fat at home without going to the gym. Guys, this exercise is really intensive. It's only 2 that you can do. It's simple, but you can do it 2 that can help you in 7 days to lose your belly fat at home without losing weight. Let me show you. This one, you have to stay like this. You can keep your timing for 30 minutes or 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or you can count 10, 15, 20. Let's go for 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You see? You do it. It's very, very serious in burning belly fat. Don't joke with it. So, the other one, you can do. Make sure you like that. Make sure your hand is like this. Then you go. 1, everybody knows it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count 20. Okay? 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. Come on, guys. Guys, these 2 exercises can help you burn your belly fat at home without going to the gym, without having any gym instructor, without having any coach that can teach you how to lose belly fat, burn weight, burn belly fat. Guys, this exercise, these 2 exercises will help you burn your belly fat at home without going to the gym. Make sure you do like, subscribe, share. My only concern is for you to share this video for others to see it. Please guys, please, let's help others out there. So share this video so that others can see it. This is 2 important exercise to burn belly fat at home, right there in your home, sitting room or room. You can do this exercise. Thank you guys and God bless you. Peace out.